I just picked up these Vimhou LED table lamps. They're so cool and they've been perfect for lighting up my room. I ordered 2 and each of them has multiple lighting options, so you can switch between warm, cool, or neutral light depending on your mood. What I really like is you can also dim them and adjust the brightness, so they work just as well for reading as they do for watching TV. I really love the multicolor lighting feature. You can have red, green, blue, orange, cyan, yellow, or purple lighting, and 3 colors of whites. You get a 1, 3, or 5 hour timer, it's dimmable, and there's rotating color setting. They fit any room. How cool is that? Pretty much wherever you want to put them, they look really good. And having 2 means you can really balance the lighting. They make your space feel cozy and a lot more comfortable. They're modern, lightweight, and super easy to use and set up. They make a wonderful gift too, so consider these for the holidays. Grab yours at the link below.